Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by color in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on the search symbol there. Now you can just pick a category or search product in the search bar, and once that is done you can just pick, in this case, the color filter, and you can just select the color. You can even select the multicolor one if you would like products in multiple colors, or you can just select simply basically one color or two color types. And you can just press on view and you will be able to find every product that has those colors that you have selected. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.